In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a column in Airtable. If you're organizing projects, tracking tasks, or building a simple database, learning how to add a column, called a field in Airtable, will help you capture exactly the information you need. First, open the Airtable base where you want to work. A base is like a project file that holds one or more tables. Once your base is open, choose the table you want to update. You can open an existing table or create a new one if you're just getting started. Think of a table like a spreadsheet sheet. Each column represents a specific type of information, and each row is a record. Now look to the far right side of your current columns. You'll see a small plus button. Click that plus button to add a new column. If your table has many columns, you may need to scroll horizontally to find it. After clicking, Airtable will prompt you to set up your new field. Start by giving it a clear, descriptive name. Short, meaningful names make your table easier to read and filter later. For example, you might use names like status, due date, email, or priority. Choose something that tells anyone looking at the table exactly what belongs in that column. Next, choose the field type, which tells Airtable what kind of data to expect and how to format it. Single-line text is great for brief notes or labels. Number is best for quantities, budgets, or scores. Date gives you a proper date picker and keeps dates consistent. Single select provides a drop-down of predefined choices, perfect for stages like to do, in progress, or done. Attachment lets you upload files like images, PDFs, or documents right into the cell. Pick the option that matches your data, so Airtable can help validate and display it correctly. When you're satisfied with the name and type, click Create Field. Your new column will appear immediately in the table. Now you can start entering data. Click into any cell in the new column and type your information. Airtable tailors the input to the type you chose. For example, a date picker for dates or a file uploader for attachments, which helps keep your data clean and consistent. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can rename the column or adjust the field type later as your needs evolve. That's all there is to it. Open your base, choose your table, add the new column, name it, pick the right field type, create it, and start filling it in. Thanks for watching.